Hi everyone. So this is the noise color fit pulse fitness smartwatch. So we have ordered online yesterday night from Amazon India online website, and we got it now around 12 o'clock now, 12 p.m. So this is the unboxing video about that. So the watch looks amazing. So these are the stickers given there.
These are the introduction in.
Yeah, so this is the booklet given along with the watch, fitness watch. Show me the
This
watch.
is the battery. This is the charger. This is the charger. To remove it, we can on it from here. You have to keep pressing it.
Does it have a power? I think we have to charge it.
First, you have to download the app Noise Fit. You have to download Noise Fit.
Show that. So that's the Noise Fit Health and Fitness app. You have to download it in your mobile. So to pair it with the device, with the mobile, you have to scan this code.
Or we can download the app.
We are just trying to pair the device with the mobile so that we can track the steps, calories, and
This is
the food, water, sleep, and everything. So we are just trying to pair the
it's going
watch
to
with the
get
mobile.
pair. It will show like this. We have to accept it, and it's paired. Get started, and we can put next. Select a goal.
So there are a lot of settings in the fitness app, the Noise Fit app. So according to our wish, we can select and give the settings, and if required, you have to enter the personal information and then the height, weight, and all the information. So depending on how much you walk and the calories and all that, it tells you how much you have reduced or how much you have gained and all that. So you have to give the date settings. Want to say how the watch looks? Yeah, go ahead.
The watch is paired. I have enabled it. You want do not disturb means you can click it and enable it. I don't want it.
So that is disabled now.
And the
Then,
sports mode.
so those
The
are the
sports
sports
mode.
mode. You can
Outdoor
select
running,
depending on that.
walking, outdoor cycling,
Trail run,
trail and trekking,
treadmill.
treadmill, indoor cycling, yoga.
So whatever you want, depending on what kind of exercise you do, you have to select that. So how is the build of the watch? What do you feel about it?
Good.
So it has a good grip. The plastic is fine. The rubber is fine. What do you say?
It's nice. Let's check the heart rate.
Okay.
$87.
BPM. Okay. Good. Beats. Fine. Good. So it's a nice watch, which you can prefer it. So how much was that we bought from Amazon? Around
2,499.
something like that. So just check out if you have any offers or whatever. Thank you for
And
watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.